Welcome, today in front of me Realme GT Master Edition, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and here go to the settings and sharing section. Right now, as can you see, our NFC is disabled. Just to turn it on, tap here on the switcher, and as can you see, our NFC function is turned on. You can also switch your pay from the Google Pay to the your card if you will add some cards here. Also, just to turn it off, tap once again on the switcher, and that's it. So if you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.